today we're going to drive a 1992 Dodge Stealth RT. This is the twin-turbo V6 3-liter model. We're here today with Sam. He is the owner of this vehicle. Tell us a little bit about your Dodge Stealth here.
I've owned it for about 6 years. It's got a couple of modifications to it. Quick release steering wheel, short shift kit, 2-piece aluminum drive shaft, preset timing gears. The car's been lowered. It's sitting on Mustang Saline replicas, and it's got a boost controller.
Awesome.
And it's tuned to 12 PSI.
Hell yeah. I've always loved these cars. Never got to drive one before, so this will be a first. So yeah, this is a really exciting day. I'm going to get out and do a little quick walk around, and then we're going to start it up and take it for a spin. When do you ever see these cars? I never get to see them. I've always wanted to drive one, and today we're going to drive the all-wheel steering, all-wheel drive RT twin turbo. Insane. Great looking car. Been seeing these ever since I was a kid. So today's the day, everyone. Let's take her for a spin. This does have a stage 4 clutch, so let's see how well I do. And this one is the model that has the removable sunroof, which is pretty awesome. I'd like to see that someday. Do a couple revs for you guys. And it has an AEM True Boost controller. Do I hit this button here?
Yep, hold it in. And you release it. Another setting B, which will be 12 PSI.
Awesome. So yeah, I have not driven this car before, so forgive me, I gotta get used to it. This will be a challenge. Feel the gears real quick.
That third's a little tricky because it needs new shifter bushings.
Alright. Oh shit. See?
Then you'll have to reset the boost controller again.
Okay.
Just press it pretty quick. You can do it now. Just in and out. There you go.
Oh, cool.
And what you're hearing is the power antenna trying to open.
Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. All right, let's give it another try. So stock, you said this has 9
PSI.
9 PSI, and then
Yeah,
what is it set on now?
12.
12.
Yeah, so it's about 320 horse.
320 horse. incredible. And you have a Spider SL at home, huh?
I do. No turbos, but it is number 252 of 1,034 convertibles.
All right, I'll try to do a little 0 to 60 here, easy going. Seat time to get used to it.
Yeah, the clutch is tricky.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this car definitely feels raw. Feels like a 90s true sports car for sure. This is classified as a DSM?
No.
No, it's not, right?
No, surprisingly.
It's just a Mitsubishi, right?
So the Dodge Stealth was built in Japan.
Okay.
So it's not DSM because it wasn't built here in the U.S.
Oh, I see.
But it's not JDM because it was never sold in Japan.
Right.
So it's something all its own. So, not bad taking the corner twice the suggested speed.
Right. Seeing these ever since I was a kid, and I've always wanted to get in one of these. I've always loved them. They always look like a supercar to me, you know?
Yeah.
Wow, quite the experience. I can see why you love these cars.
Yeah.
They're really cool, and I love cars that are super rare that you never see. I always try to get a car that's not too common, you know.
Yep.
You got to be a certain enthusiast to have these, like own these and maintain them. And you have a parts car too, right?
I had a parts car. It takes a lot more space than I have.
Yeah. Do you normally work on this car yourself?
I try to. The clutch I had done at a shop because I just don't have the space.
Yeah, yeah. Where do you usually take it to do something that you'd like someone else to do?
I had an oil pump done at a shop in Plainwell.
Okay.
They told me they'd never work on the car again.
Oh, really?
Had a rear turbo replaced by a Dodge dealership up in Whalen. They had to pull in a retired mechanic because they just couldn't figure it out. Quality Transmission here in Kalamazoo did a great job on the clutch, and
yeah, that's awesome.
Very happy with that.
Maybe we'll pull in this library and we can pop the hood real quick. How many miles are on this engine?
210.
210,000 miles. Still going. Pretty unheard of. Stock, these come around 300 horsepower, 307 pound-foot of torque. And this one has, how much again?
Maybe 320.
Maybe 320. Driving this car. She makes some really good noises too. You can hear the bypass valve.
Oh yeah, it's got a internal bypass valve. The clicking you're hearing is the boost controller.
Okay.
It's mounted on the firewall, so you end up hearing it.
Driving car. Definitely see why Sam loves this car. Huge shout out to Sam for letting us drive his Dodge Stealth today. This is a 1992 RT twin turbo V6 3-liter. It's been an incredible ride. Can't believe I got to drive one finally. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.